I think you also aspire to make a podcast. Why don't you try Anchor? It's free. There are creation tools that allow you to record and edit your podcast right from your phone or computer. Anchor you will distribute your podcast for you so it can be heard on Spotify, Apple and other many more. You can make money from your podcast with no minimum internship. So download Anchor or visit anchor.fm. Episode 15 Motivational Monday. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Every pain gives a lesson, and every lesson changes a person. You know what motivates you the most? It's story of inspiring people. And here is the one which you can't miss. Hello everyone, your host Brahma here on the show I Got This Today, where on every Monday I motivate you for your whole upcoming week. So today motivation to you will come from the story of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir is very great personality. Even name of my high school was based on his name. The life story will be full of messages, so if possible take your notes. He said every pain gives a lesson and every lesson changes a person. And he gave us lot of lesson and he took a lot of pain to change a massive amount of people, and it's worth noting all the lessons and also sharing them. He was born in Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu, India on 15th October 1931. He was born in a poor family. His father was a boatman, and due to low education of his parents and financial problems, his education was also affected many times. However, he completed his higher education. There is an incident from his childhood. As he was a Muslim, his teacher don't let him sit with his priest friend at first bench and shifted him to the last bench. How bad you will feel after this incident. You will be filled with anger. So first lesson is here. Convert your anger into the passion. That day, Abdul Kalam sir decided that I will change the world by sitting on the back seat. So he gave us the quote, you can even find country's smartest brain on back benches. To make his expenses at a young age, he started selling newspaper, not only to earn money but also to get knowledge. He used to read the newspaper on the way while delivering it. So the second message is poverty is not the reason to stop. He completed his basic education. Then he went to St. Joseph College and graduated in physics in 1954. Then he moved to study aerospace engineering in Madras Institute of Technology. He was really passionate and enthusiastic of becoming a fighter pilot. In aerospace engineering, one day he was given a project. After some days, the project was not progressed as much. So the professor scolded him and gave him time of only 3 days. However, professor also knows that it was impossible to complete the project in 3 days. But Dr. Kalam didn't sleep or took a very small nap for the 3 days and worked hard and completed the project in just 3 days. The professor literally cried after seeing the project in Dr. Kalam's hand. Dr. Kalam were actually threatened to lose scholarship if the project was not completed. So the third lesson, don't lose what you earned earlier. There was one more incident during his education. Kalam entered a wrong class. So the professor of that class scolded him and said, if you can't find a right class, then what will you study? He again took this insult and became passionate. He topped that university. And that's how you grow. You take the stones thrown by the people and build your own way. But one of the biggest failure of his life was now arrived. He went to Air Force examination to Dehradun after completing his education. There were 25 candidates and 8 seats. Kalam sir again worked very hard. He secured 9th rank. The first 8 people were only selected. He was devastated as the job he aspired just missed from his hand due to only a single rank. But then he didn't give up. He went to Delhi and got a job at DRDO, which later became one of the most important organizations in country. He also got promoted due to his hard work and got into the team of Vikram Sarabhai, the renowned space scientist. By seeing his skills, Vikram Sarabhai asked Kalam to go NASA and do research there. He did visit NASA in 1963. He worked there. While working, he also got an offer of staying in NASA and get salary 5 times greater than India. But he didn't stop. He returned to India and after his research was completed. Here he shows us what a real patriot means. He joined ISRO and was selected as director of project. He successfully launched Rohini satellite in orbit. See, from being an failure fighter pilot in the exam to launching a satellite, his hard work paid. And your hard work will pay too. So note down the fourth lesson. Then he also launched launch vehicles like PSLV and SLV-3, which were future deciding for India. But this was all not as like win, win and win. Whenever a satellite failed, he was the one who was caught by media and people. Then he had to handle with immense insult and many other things. Then he went into the defense sector of India and made India the sixth country to have such a great missile system. He gave India many missiles and he is therefore called as a missile man of India. The work Abdul Kalam did in defense sector is not definable in this episode. Then he agreed to recommend his name to be the president by Atal Bihari Vajpayee and then he became 11th president of India. But he never showed off. Even while that he had very less pair of clothes and shoes with him. He was a vegetarian and respected animals. He believed in equality. He believed in bigger life vision. And that's what we should do. You should learn from your pain, derive your own lessons. Keep a bigger vision, do the hard work, handle insult, be humiliated. Because one who acquires this quality will surely succeed and never again fail. Or if failed, he will not be devastated because he will learn or to learn from the failure. I will surely talk about Dr. Kalam's remaining life lessons in later of one of the episode. This was just a drop of the sea of knowledge of Abdul Kalam and his life story. So if you want to deep dive in the sea, then I recommend you to go to the description and buy some books written by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam and the biography of Abdul Kalam is also given there. So go to the description and check it now. I think you are enough motivated and got enough knowledge for the week. I request you to share this knowledge and motivation to everyone by sharing this episode. So for now, I will take your leave and see you soon. Disclaimer: this podcast is based on my views, knowledge, opinions. I don't mean to insult anyone or disrespect any group or individual. Do follow and like our podcast.